trying to get me, Lord? Please. I don't want to get me. Lord, Daddy, don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me. I don't want to be for me. I hate somebody. You did it. You did it. I hate you, Lord. I need that crack. But they keep messing with me. Oh, Lord. Where can I help? Where can I get help? I'll call 1-800-CHILD. I'll call the 6th number. They still won't give me no help. I need my shit. I need my shit. Oh, give me the shit. Give me the shit. I need the shit. Y'all need to understand. I done been a very back. They gave me that pill. They gave me all type of stuff. They don't know what I've been through. Oh, where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Oh, get out of me. Get out of me. Get out of me. You better leave me alone. I want out of here. I want out of here. Can you help me? Can you call the number 1-800 help a fool? Help a fool. I'm lost. This demon won't get out of me. I asked the Lord to help me. I'm homeless. I can't eat. I need $1. I need some pennies. I need some help. Can you help me? You stupid son don't like it. I hate you people that don't like me. Y'all just don't know. This demon inside of me won't get out of me. Ah! Help me! Help me! Ah! Help me! Ah! I'm gonna get you, demon. I got this holy soap. This great divine soap. That's what made me go crazy. Herbal tea with some dry up prune juice. It smells like grape. I'm gonna tell you that dried up prune soup, dried up grape prune soup. Ooh, can you help me? When you feel them, when you feel them sometime, you just want to say, ah! Oh! Yeah! Yeah! Ooh, y'all help me. Y'all pray for me. And I'll pray for y'all too. But I need help. Y'all know y'all need to call to help me. It ain't good. It ain't good no more. It ain't good. No! It ain't good. It ain't good. It ain't good. They trying to get me. 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 They won't let me out. They won't let me out. They won't let me out. They trying to get me. You know. Ooh. Good.